Hello friends, welcome once again. Today we are going to see some interesting strategy in our channel, and this strategy is very good. I have seen it used many times. In this we are going to use 3 indicators and we will change its setting a little so that the strategy becomes more profitable. So first of all we know about the setting of this strategy. In this we will explain both strategies well. So first of all check the setting of the strategy. This is the strategy, right? It comprises of 3 indicators. So the first indicator we are using is called moving average. Alright, let me click on the editing part. So I am using moving average with a period of 28 and the moving average is EMA, right? So the second one is called CCI with a period of 18. This is the only thing that you need to change, except you want to change the style like what I did here. Alright, I actually ticked the lines here with times with 2 figs there, right? So the other last indicator I use is called momentum, right, and this is the setting. The period over here too is 13 and that's pretty much it. Alright, so it's a very simple setup. So to actually put this up, just come over here. This is the moving average, the first indicator that I use. The second one is called CCI while the last one is momentum, right? So that's just how it is. Okay, so here you must have seen how to set all the settings of the strategy. Now we will see how to use this strategy. So to understand the strategy well, and for that you have to watch the video carefully. And here you have to pay a little attention because the pocket option is always updated. So this time also some update has come in it. Like you will be able to see here above, we have got a UTC time, and that means we have to take a trade according to the clock. But you can select 1 minute time frame here, but sometimes the trade above 1 minute gets stressed, and for this reason the chances of losing the trade increase. But some solution will have to be found on this too, I think. I don't like this update at all. Do you like this update? Tell me in the comment. It's okay. So now let me show you how to use the strategy. So over here we are looking at the indicators in 3 directions, right? So the first thing we are looking on the moving average is the falling down of this particular blue line here. So when this line is going down and our CCI line here is at the oversold level, it means that the line is at the bottom of the other lines here, the bottom line here. And then we are having a red signal, a very strong red signal in the momentum indicator, right? So it will be a great moment to give it a call option for 1 minute. Alright, don't forget we are doing this for 1 minute and 30 seconds candle time frame. That's just it, alright. So the analysis is that when the candle actually fall, I was a call, when the moving average line was above the candlestick, our CCI is beneath or in the bottom of the line of the CCI line here, this particular line. While we are having a red signal in our momentum, then we are giving it to be put option for 1 minute. Not only that, we are taking trade on the new generated candle, right? So what I actually mean with that, like this particular candle have a time of 30 seconds expiration, just like what we said here. So we are going to wait for this particular candle to get expired, and when we get another one generated immediately, we are going to put in the trade. If I was a call, the 3 indicator is in the right position. Alright, I hope I explained myself clear. The same thing happened when I was a call. The moving average line is below the candle. Our CCI indicator is very strong on an overbought level. It means that CCI is at the top of the line here. Alright, and we are having a green signal, a very strong one in the momentum, then we are going to take a trade on new candle generator. Don't forget that, alright. So if a particular candle is actually working, and you get a confirmation with the 3 indicator, you need to wait. If this candle is actually on and you have a confirmation with this 3 indicators, you need to wait to take a trade on this particular candle immediately generated. So when this candle come off, just go ahead and place in the trade if you are having a confirmation intact with the 3 indicators, right? So don't forget we are doing this for 1 minute, right, and a 30-second candle time frame. So guys, I think I actually am explaining better. For those of you, I normally speak faster, but it seems that it is not really getting cool with people. So I am trying to actually lower my voice and try to explain in details, right? So, but this is, I think everyone understand how this work now. Right now I will be taking another trade. So I have already put up my currency pairs. Right now I will be analyzing. When I find a great moment I will come over and take the trade, and I will try to explain again. I mean the reason why I entered the trade. Okay guys, I found a very good moment over here, but I am actually waiting to take a trade on the next candle. Alright, as you can see our moving average is very strong above the candle. We are having our CCI below. We are getting our signal here on the momentum. I am going to take a trade in this to calm down. Alright, for what is it called, 1 minute. So like what I said, when you are having a very good signal, which your moving average above the candle strong coming down, as you can see our CCI is very on the what is it called oversold level, and we are having a very good signal with the momentum. So I know this is definitely going to be a good moment, so that is the reason why I actually put in the trade. I am doing this for 1 minute, don't forget that, and with 30 seconds I can determine. Alright guys, let's wait and see if this is going to be in the money in the next few seconds. Alright guys, so we are in the red and money in that. That's a very good one in there. So guys, I hope you understand what actually happened. I mean what I am trying to explain real far. So I will be analyzing again, and when I find another great moment I will come over and take a trade, and I will explain better why I put in the entry. Okay guys, I am checking this out. We are waiting for under pocket get generated. I put in the trade of 700. The reason why is that our moving average is below the candle. You can say that, and we are having a very good time with our CCI very strong in our bot lever, and of course our momentum was good. Alright, so that is the reason why I actually placed in the trade quickly on the new candle generated. Alright guys, let's wait and see if this is going to be another great moment in the next few seconds. Okay guys, a good moment there in the money in that. That is a very good one in the money in the trade. So right now I will be analyzing again. When I find another good moment I will come over and take a trade. Alright guys, I am actually checking this out again. So as you can see, this is a very good moment. We are having a good time with our CCI. I am waiting for the other candle to generate before I place in the trade, right, to be sure. So I think we have less than 2 seconds to get another new candle. Alright, I placed in the trade here 700. So you can see we are our CCI is really strong and even breached out the overbought level of the CCI line here. And then we are getting a very fresh signal over here on the momentum. It is getting really stronger, and of course our moving average is very good. All at the bottom of the line. As you can see, it is going up. So guys, this is definitely going to be another great moment, I believe. So let's wait guys, let's see if we are going to be in the money in the next few seconds, right? Okay guys, so we are right in the money on that. That was a very good one. Oh. Oh. Oh.